Today we're going to be talking about the Mini Channel Bank T1 or E1 multi-line phone extender, crash phone, and paging unit, the TC8618. The easiest way to find any of our products is by referencing our product matrix. Simply choose your transport column, followed by your interface row, and the product you're looking for will be at that intersection. The TC8618 can be found under the T1-E1 column under the analog phone row. Each product number is clickable from our product matrix, and the link will take you to the webpage of that product. The TC8618 is typically used to link analog telephones or legacy dial-up devices, including data modems, fax machines, meters, ATM machines, and credit card machines over T1 or E1. Let's talk about some of the features of the TC8618. This product offers plug-and-play simplicity, is easily configured, simple to install, is economical, and can operate over T1 or E1 links. As with all of our Mini Channel Bank products, the TC8618 is equipped with an R2 button, which allows users to check and reset disruptions on local and remote units. Please watch our video on this feature. The link is in the description. As with all TC Communications products, the TC8618 can operate within a standard temperature range of -20 to 70 degrees Celsius, and an extended temperature option is available from -40 to 80 degrees Celsius. Let's talk about applications. A common application for the TC8618 is extending a phone line from a PSTN or PBX between two TC8618s over T1, generating a phone extension at the remote end. This operation can be done for 1, 2, or 4 phone extensions. The connection goes from channel 1 to channel 1, 1 to 2, 3 to 3, and 4 to 4. The PBX, of course, is connected to our TC8618-2 for FXO, and the FXS devices are connected to our TC8618-1 for FXS. In addition to phones, each phone connection is also capable of connecting fax machines, card readers, modems, etc. This product is also capable of a crash phone application, and for this, we will be using our TC8618-1 for FXS at both ends. You can have 4 phones at the local side as well as the remote side. Each is connected from port 1 to port 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, and 4 to 4, and the remote phone will ring until it is picked up. The third application we'd like to discuss is local phone extension and paging. Again, 2 TC8618-1 FXS devices are connected over T1 with 4 phones connected, and each phone has an individual extension number. In the example shown here, we have line 104 dialing extension 204. You can also page all the phones in a local group, as shown here. For example, you can call extension 100, and it will call all the phones in that local group until one is picked up. You can also dial the extension of a remote group, and it will work the same way. In addition, there is also a global group with a dedicated extension number 000, which will call all of the other phones. Looking at mounting options, the most supplied TC8618 is housed in what we call our standalone unit. However, a rack-mountable 1U or 4U is also available. For more information, please visit TCComm.com. You can find any of our products by clicking the drop-down in the top right corner of our homepage. And to view our product matrix, you can scroll down to right here. You can also get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us in the top right corner of our homepage. Please like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thank you for watching.